In this video, we're going to break down a strategy that doesn't just whisper entry, it screams it. The dominance candle strategy. Clean, savage, reliable. If you've been getting wrecked trying to trade with your sixth sense, it's time to use something that actually makes sense. So, what the heck is a dominance candle? It's a candle that literally dominates its surroundings. Big body, tiny wicks, high volume. It says, I own this market right now. Imagine a bouncer walking into a bar full of tiny dudes. That's a dominance candle. It tells you who's in control, buyers or sellers, with zero room for negotiation. So here's the sauce. Time frame. Stick to 15 minutes or 1 hour for sniper level clarity. Step 1. Identify a key zone, previous support or resistance. Step 2. Wait for a dominance candle to smash through that zone. Not touch, not kiss, I mean obliterate it. Step 3. Wait for the retest of that zone. This is not a breakout and chase strategy. We're not retail, we're smart. Wait for the price to come back, retest the level and leave a tiny indecision candle, or even better, a weak little rejection wick. Now that's your trigger. Entry, right after the confirmation candle closes post-retest. Stop loss, just below the dominance candle's low for longs or high for shorts. Take profit, 2 or 3 times your risk, or trail it with EMAs if you want to milk the trend. Pro tip, use volume as confluence. If the dominance candle has massive volume, you've got institutional footprints all over it. Listen, this strategy won't make you rich overnight, but it will stop you from taking garbage entries based on vibes. You're not here to gamble, you're here to hunt, and the dominance candle, it's the footprint of the hunter. Learn it, master it, execute it.